Hey everyone, this video is about adding fractions. So remember, when you add fractions, you have to get a common denominator. So remember, we start with our LCM, and that stands for our lowest common multiple. So to do that, I'm going to write down the two numbers that are in the denominator. So I have 4 and 7. And so what I want to do is write out the multiples of both of those numbers and find the smallest number they have in common. So for 4, I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. And then for 7, same idea, so 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. And then I want to find the lowest one that they have in common. So it looks like they both have 28 in common. So I know that that's going to be my new denominator over here. Alright, so now my job is to figure out what should the numerator be so these two are equivalent fractions. So remember, I'm going to use my giant 1 for this. Okay, because whatever I multiply the bottom by, I have to do the same thing for the numerator. So here, 4 times what is 28, and that's going to be 7. So if I multiply by 7 on the bottom, I have to multiply by 7 on top as well. So we have 7 times 4 is 28, and 7 times 3 is 21. And same idea for the other fraction. 7 times what is 28, and that's going to be 4. So 4 is in the denominator, 4 has to go in the numerator. Alright, 7 times 4 is 28, and 2 times 4 is 8. So now, these two fractions are equivalent, and these two fractions are equivalent. So now I'm going to add these together. 21 plus 8 is 29. And then remember, you just keep the denominator, so it's going to be 29 28ths. You can keep it improper, I don't care, but if you wanted to convert it, this is the same thing as 1 and 1/28. So either of these answers would be fine.